Should we tell our listeners what's on my face?
जॉनी
Auntie.
अरे मैं छोटे बच्चों वाला जॉनी जॉनी बोल रही हूँ. तुम कौन सा एक्टर है वो, किसका था?
जो अभी एक्सपोज हुआ.
नो, ये किसका गाना था?
I don't know.
किसी का गाना है ना ये बॉलीवुड.
जानी जानी आंटी तूने पी है. हाँ आंटी.
मैं वही पूछने वाली थी.
आंटी.
जॉनी जॉनी.
Yes, Papa. Okay. Check. 1, 2, 3. This is Pink Flags Only. 2 girls, 1 mic, and emotionally questionable decisions.
Hi.
I am Mau Mau.
Hi everyone, Mikasa here.
How are you guys?
I hope everyone's good, healthy, glowing.
Yeah, following their New Year resolutions.
Oh my god. That was one chaotic episode.
I know, right? We spoke about resolutions as well as a lot of other things.
Yeah. Crazy one.
I guess the accent is because of the beer and vodka shot that I just had. Yeah. It was great. I didn't know beer and vodka could go.
You actually mix a bit of Sprite in it and it's really yummy.
Yummy, huh?
Yum.
Like sushi.
Okay, anyways.
Anyway.
चालू हो गया English teacher का.
Anyway. So this episode is all about paranormal activities that we witnessed.
Yes.
And
we do have a handful.
Yeah.
Terrifying.
Yeah. That's the adjective. Terrifying.
Yes. Yeah. So who's gonna start?
You start, Mikasa.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So like, see, I have the topmost ones that come to my mind right now is when I used to practice medicine.
Okay.
So I used to work at a hospital.
Okay.
And
was that your residency?
Yes.
Okay.
So we had night duties as well.
Night duty, huh? Nice. Sexy.
बचाओ मुझे कोई बचाओ.
That's the beer and vodka.
So come on. So like, there's a saying that goes like, every hospital is haunted.
Yeah. I have heard like my share of hospital stories.
Yeah. But the thing is, it's actually true.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay.
So one night, we, like me and the nurse who was assigned, we were resting in a restroom. Not restroom. The rooms we, spend our nights in. Stop doing that.
No, I just
that was different.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ तो ठीक है. नाइट ड्यूटी थी. मैं और नर्स सारे ड्यूटीज वगैरह खत्म करके we were like, we signed off. We went to the room. We were like, चलो अब सो जाते हैं. Okay. And कुछ 2 AM or something की बात है. We heard नीचे के वार्ड में से बच्चों की रोने वाली आवाजें. Like, babies, newborn babies, crying out loud.
Okay.
At the top of the little lungs. And we were like, I panicked because that was my ward. I am responsible. क्या हुआ क्या नहीं. I panicked. Nurse को उठाया. I was like, चलो जल्दी. She was like, हाँ चलो. She was wearing her shoes. I put on my scrubs. And
why were you undressed?
No रे बाबा, not undressed.
Okay.
Scrubs का पूरा मतलब ये नहीं होता कि मैं पूरा कपड़े निकाल के सोई थी. एप्रन वगैरह पहन के नीचे जाना पड़ता है.
Oh yeah. The newborn ward is like,
yeah,
like sensitive area. Exactly. Sort of. Yeah.
तो वो सब कुछ पहन रही थी. दरवाजा खोला, नीचे जा रहे हैं हम लोग. And the nurse, मुझे 2 मिनट के लिए उसने पीछे से हाथ पकड़ा मेरा. हम बाहर आ चुके हैं हमारे रूम के. We were about to get down stairs पे. Okay. एंड रात है, द लाइट्स आर डिम,
ओके
ओके, कोई नहीं है। एंड उस दिन तो वार्ड बॉय वगैरह कोई दिख भी नहीं रहा था आसपास। तो we got down, we were like getting down, not got down, like getting down. She grabbed my hand, पीछे से pulled me, and she's like, मैम एक ही बच्चा है ना वार्ड में? And I was like, हाँ अभी राउंड करके आए थे हम 12 के आसपास, एक ही बच्चा था वार्ड में।
हाँ
एंड जैसे ही हमें ये रियलाइज हुआ कि एक ही बच्चा है,
हाँ
वो आवाज बढ़ गई रोने की।
शिट
वी वर जस्ट लुकिंग एट ईच अदर, इतने बच्चे कहाँ रो रहे हैं। एंड कोई भी दिख नहीं रहा है, कुछ नहीं। हर वार्ड के बाहर एक वॉचमैन, एक वार्ड बॉय होता है। उस रात कोई दिख नहीं रहा था।
माय गुडनेस,
कुछ भी नहीं। मैं और नर्स वी लाइक जस्ट लुकिंग एट ईच अदर स्टेयरिंग, लाइक क्या करे, नीचे जाए नहीं जाए, एक ही तो बच्चा है, वो रो रहा है, नहीं हो ही नहीं सकता। वी वर लाइक जस्ट काउंटिंग ऑन ऑल पॉसिबिलिटीज कि हो क्या रहा है। शिट। शी वाज लाइक मैम चलो वापस चलो, रूम में चलो, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, सीसीटीवी कैमराज है, सब कुछ है, अगर कुछ गड़बड़ हो गई तो कल का सुबह देख लेंगे।
Dude, this is so scary. Like there's just one newborn in the hospital and you could hear like multiple babies crying at the same time.
Yeah. And we went to the room, we locked the doors, और हम एक ही बेड पे बैठ गए।
मैं जो भी हॉस्पिटल में जाऊंगी मैं चाहूंगी तुम मेरी डॉक्टर ना हो।
ए चुप रहो। बैठ गए and we were just like praying, you know me and Hanuman Chalisa.
Yeah.
I kept chanting Hanuman Chalisa for hours.
My goodness.
The nurse was praying कि कब रात खत्म होगी, कब बच्चों की आवाज खत्म होगी।
But then what if the newborn who was actually in the ward was crying?
But फिर वो सिंगल बच्चे की आवाज and 5-6 बच्चों की आवाज, there's a difference ना।
True,
चलो तब अगर मतलब समझ लो कि मुझे इतना एक्सपीरियंस नहीं था बच्चों के मामलों में, आई वाज प्रैक्टिसिंग, वो मेरा रेसिडेंसी था, बट नर्स तो एक्सपीरियंस्ड है। शी नोज ना कि एक बच्चा रो रहा है, 2 बच्चे रो रहे हैं, बहुत सारे बच्चे रो रहे हैं।
करेक्ट करेक्ट।
तो फट गई थी यार, ये फर्स्ट एक्सपीरियंस था मेरा हॉस्पिटल में, एंड फट गई थी।
शिट। You know, listening to your story, it has given me goosebumps like all over.
Goosebumps, but और एक इंसिडेंट है उसमें, तो देखो क्या होगा फिर तुम्हारा। And the thing is, सुबह something 5:30 5:45, okay, थोड़ा सा वो जो लाइट हो जाता है बाहर,
the first rays,
I was like मैं बाहर निकल रही हूँ, मुझे नहीं यहाँ पे रहना है। I literally got out of the hospital, तो नीचे है ना वो चाय टपरी एंड एवरीथिंग होता है, मैं वहां जा रही थी। I was like I'll go there, have a chai sutta and then come back kind of thing. तो वहाँ पे सीनियर नर्स, she was coming in, उनका ड्यूटी था, तो she was coming and she greeted me like good morning doctor, how are you, कैसा था नाइट ड्यूटी। मैंने उनको बताया, तो she is like आपको एक्सपीरियंस मिल गया।
Oh my goodness.
I was like what do you mean?
That means she has experienced it.
Yeah, she's like I am used to it now.
Wow.
She's like she has heard babies crying even if there was no baby in the ward.
Wow. That's some scary shit, dude.
मैंने तब ठान लिया कि मुझे नाइट ड्यूटीज नहीं करनी।
तुम पहले मतलब like in the first place, why did you even agree to a night
ड्यूटी करना पड़ता है।
Oh, करना पड़ता है? Is it mandatory?
Yeah.
Oh,
करना ही पड़ता है।
Okay.
तुम्हें पता है ये नाइट ड्यूटी मैंने बोल दिया जाके मेरे सीनियर को कि मुझे इसके बाद करना नहीं है, ये वो ब्ला ब्ला शिट। 2 महीने बाद फिर से नाइट ड्यूटी आया, तब तो पूछो नहीं क्या हुआ।
पूछ ही लेती हूँ क्या हुआ।
तब हुआ ये कि नॉर्मल वार्ड जो होता है, वो था, बाहर पेशेंट्स थे एंड एक न्यूबॉर्न बेबी था जिसको हमने NICU में रखा था. NICU is neonatal ICU. I think it was premature or something या jaundice होगा उसे, I don't remember right now. But था, तो उसको रखा था एंड ऑब्जर्वेशन, अर्ली ऑब्जर्वेशंस करना था. 11:40 या 12 के अराउंड की बात है, ये रात की.
Okay.
मैं गई अंदर, मैंने सब कुछ चेक वगैरह किया बेबी का, ऑल वाज गुड. अभी NICU ना छोटा सा होता है. इट्स लाइक किसी मुंबई के फ्लैट का 1 BHK ले लो, उसका जो छोटू सा किचन होता है ना, वैसा होता है.
Okay, like 4-5 babies?
4 babies max.
Okay,
रह सकते हैं. तो वैसा था एंड एक ही बेबी था. तो उसका सब कुछ चेक वगैरह करके मैं निकल ही रही थी एंड एकदम से ठंडी हवा आई.
Okay.
अभी ICU है, बाहर से हवा तो आ नहीं सकती.
हाँ, because
इट्स ऑल बंद फ्रॉम
yeah,
एवरीवेयर.
yeah.
बाहर की हवा, बाहर का कुछ भी आना अलाउड नहीं है.
Correct.
एकदम से ठंडी हवा आई. आई वाज लाइक ये कैसे हो गया, व्हाई, मतलब एंड समटाइम्स यू गेट द चिल्स. एकदम से तुम्हारे पूरे स्पाइन में यू कैन जस्ट फील द चिल्स रनिंग डाउन.
Yeah.
वैसा हुआ. मैं डर गई. बट आई वाज लाइक कि नहीं यार, यहाँ पे थोड़ी होता है, ये वाला वार्ड डिफरेंट है.
What do you mean by different?
Different, it's a different ward. The NICU is different than the normal ward.
Okay.
वो babies crying वाला ward was different.
Oh, okay, got it.
And I was like, मैं मुड़ने वाली थी क्योंकि राइट में दरवाजा था, मुझे बाहर जाना था. And I literally felt some lady kind of figure standing besides me.
Okay.
And
This
मेरी
is
नजरें नीचे फ्लोर पे. मैं मुड़ भी नहीं पा रही हूँ, कुछ कर नहीं पा रही हूँ.
Shit.
I froze there. Like there is somebody standing. The thing is, I don't know if it's in the signs or something, but I can feel paranormal presence.
Okay. We Hindus have that thing, no? Like gun
Yeah,
sort of thing, like Manushya,
they
Dev
can
gun and
see.
Rakshas gun.
Yeah,
So Rakshas gun can feel
yeah,
things.
yeah. That's
and
me.
Manushya gun can see
things.
Okay.
Manusha is you, right?
Yeah.
And you can see things.
Yeah.
I am Rakshas. I can feel things and very strongly.
Okay.
So the moment I felt the presence, I was मराठी मध्ये म्हणतो आपण ना पांढरी पडणं. You don't pale. Remember Tom and Jerry में टॉम को अगर कभी भूत दिखता था तो वो ऊपर से नीचे व्हाइट हो जाता था पूरा.
Correct.
वैसा. And I was trying, my brain was trying to कि like हाथ हिला या पैर हिला, मुड़ जा यहाँ से, निकल. My body is not responding. And I literally felt on my arm something like किसी के बाल ऐसे चले जाते ना, हवा से किसी के बाल.
Yeah, they just scrape you sort of.
Yeah, I felt something like that. वो बाल होंगे, I don't know who was she, but बाल थे, उनका दुपट्टा था, उनका कपड़ा था, I don't know, but I felt it against my arm. Shit. Also note, I was wearing my apron and everything, so feeling that much of
hair or anything was like impossible.
Yeah, I think मुझे तभी के तभी फीवर आया था.
Shit.
I couldn't move for about
Seriously?
15-20 minutes. I couldn't move until my colleague came to see कि where the fuck is Dr. Mikasa.
Shit.
She came and she held me and I couldn't even tell her कि क्या हो रहा है.
Man, this might be like so scary.
She took me out. She was like, तू इतनी ठंडी क्यों है? मैं उसको देख रही हूँ, मुंह से एक शब्द तो निकले मेरे, कुछ भी नहीं। आई टुक 3 days का लीव उसके बाद, बिकॉज फीवर इतना था मुझे।
शिट।
एंड उसके बाद से आई कैरिड हनुमान चालीसा का छोटा सा आता है ना बुक जो पॉकेट में बैठता है, दैट एवरी डे विद मी टू द हॉस्पिटल।
I would have never returned to that hospital if something like that would have happened with me.
You know, apart from all the reasons why I decided not to pursue practice in medicine and surgery, this is one of it. क्योंकि तुम कहीं पे भी जाओ, तुम कोई भी वार्ड में जाओ, you see, you feel there are n number of entities there, living, dead, in between.
Yeah.
You never know.
I always wonder, like people who are brain dead or they are on the ventilator, their spirits might be like
they're just lingering around.
We have seen this movie Insidious.
Yeah.
So they might be roaming around trying to they might be lost trying to find their way back to their bodies and something like that.
Yeah, even वो मतलब full confused होंगे ना कि like मुझे फिर से बॉडी के अंदर जाना है या मुझे कहीं और जाना है, or where.
Yeah.
And अगर यमराज ने उनको नहीं बताया कि चलो मेरे साथ चलना है तुम्हें, तो वो तो वहीं पे रहेंगे.
I know, right? They're like stuck in between, like we are in between.
And सबसे बेकार चीज बताओ हॉस्पिटल्स की, कभी कोई मतलब ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट्स होता है ना, तो वैसे के वैसे उन लोगों को लाया जाता है. अगर ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट वाले डेथ पीपल हो ना, एंड उनको वैसे, क्योंकि हॉस्पिटल के अंदर नहीं ले जा सकते हो तुम, प्राइवेट हॉस्पिटल्स डोंट अलाउ ट्रैफिक एक्सीडेंट वाले बॉडीज, वो गवर्नमेंट का जो हॉस्पिटल होता है वहाँ लेके जाना पड़ता है.
Correct.
तो हमारे जो लॉबीज रहते थे ना, वहाँ पे उनको रखते थे, एंड वी हैड टू गो एंड चेक ऑन देम.
Shit.
So I still remember those eyes looking at me.
Shit.
I'm like still terrified. I don't know if I'm gonna sleep tonight or not. But God, I still remember those eyes lingering and just looking into my soul. Lifeless eyes, but still looking into my soul.
That's so
it is
scary.
not easy to be a doctor.
I agree. Now that you share your episodes
Yeah.
here, the thought of a lifeless body looking at me is terrifying.
I know.
Why the fuck is Polo mewing like that? It's scaring
Polo is
me.
talking to, I don't know, maybe the elephant in the room. Okay, just to clarify, we'll literally have an elephant in the room.
Yeah,
that's not you now. That's a toy elephant in the room.
That's my dear Leo.
Yeah.
Anyway, so I would like to share an experience. This was way back in like 2008, not even like 2016 or 2012, 2008. I had just finished my schooling, and me and my mom, we went to this mall that's right beside our society. We went shopping, but then like the household items, and we were returning, so we got the cart along with us. So residents who live around the mall were allowed to carry the cart up till their entry gates.
Okay.
Yeah, not home, just the entry gate.
Okay.
And we had a lot of bags, like 6-7 bags, filled with all groceries, household items. And we were walking, and the whole street, back in 2008, our complex was the last building.
Okay.
And then beyond that, there was a very silent and quiet and dark road, and at the end of it there was another complex.
Okay.
So me and my mom, we were walking, and we could see a lady approaching us. and she was wearing a very pale blue kind of a churidar kind of a thing, patiala suit, and she had this veil over her face, like her dupatta acted as a veil, but then just up till her lips.
Okay.
Her chin and neck was visible.
Okay.
And right when she was approaching us, I could, like, I looked at her. Obviously, like, you don't see people wearing a veil in Mumbai.
Yeah.
So that caught my attention, and I looked at her, and she was like completely burnt.
Oh.
Chin down, the whole skin was like burnt.
Okay.
And I was like, I just told my mom, like, don't look right away, but when she passes us, just check her out, you know. I feel bad for her that, you know, she's burned this bad.
Yeah.
And my mom was like, okay. And she was just passing us, and my mom was like, okay, let me check her out. And she crossed us. Split second, my mom turned around.
Yeah.
And she vanished.
Huh?
Yes. She vanished.
What the fuck, dude?
Yeah. And this road that I'm talking about, it had no lefts and rights. Just straight road. She just vanished.
My God.
Split second, like, this person passes you and you just turn around to check them out. Nobody. Me and mom, we were so scared. We were, like, you know, holding hands. We did not turn back at all.
Yeah.
After that, we just walked straight. We went home. I can still feel the chills down my spine. I can't tell you how scary it was, because I was the one who actually noticed her, like, head to toe. I checked her out, and I can still see her image.
You know, that's the worst part. We remember it.
Yeah. And it was so scary. After that, I guess I had a fever for a week because of that episode.
Yeah.
Because when my mom turned around, she was like, where did she go? And I turned around and I was like traumatized. I was like, I just saw her. That can't be a hallucination.
Yeah.
I just saw her. My mom saw somebody approaching us. So that was like we both saw her.
Yeah.
And after that, I don't think so we ever used that road at all. That was scary. I've had like multiple such experiences.
I am legit scared right now.
Yeah, I've actually seen and felt and been troubled by a couple of entities. So, as you know, I was in Delhi for a couple of years.
Yeah.
So I was living in this flat, 3 BHK flat. I had 2 other roommates.
Yeah.
And so one of my roommates, she used to smoke pot.
Okay.
So one fine evening, her boyfriend was over.
Okay.
And the 3 of us, we were just chilling. They both were smoking pot. And I was just like over there sitting on the chair, chilling.
Okay.
And the third roommate was home. She had gone home for some reason.
Okay.
So there was a very dim light in her room, and the main like entrance to the room was, the door was open.
Okay.
And for a split second, I thought somebody walked past the door.
Okay.
And entered my room.
Oh.
And I was like, there's nobody apart from us. Who entered my room? And the person was wearing a white dhoti and a kurta style of a thing.
Okay.
And it did remind me of my grandfather. My grandfather used to wear something like that. And I was like, maybe I'm just like
thinking too much.
Yeah, thinking too much, or maybe it was just like, you know, these guys were smoking,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So it was just like a smoke floating through the air, and I just happened to
Imagine
see it,
things.
or maybe I imagined out of my mind or something like that. And then later on, I went to sleep, and I was sleeping against. So in Delhi, the houses, like the buildings are like connected to each other.
Yeah.
You share the wall with the other building.
Okay.
So the house right besides our building was completely burnt.
Oh.
Okay, and I used to live on the third floor. There was nothing besides my room.
Okay.
Okay, the house that was burnt was like ground plus one, and then on the terrace there was a bathroom, and there was a tank, water tank.
Okay.
That's it. Nothing came up till my room.
Okay.
At all. And I was by that wall, and I could hear a couple of taps, as if somebody is like, playing catch.
Okay.
Bouncing the ball off the wall and catching it.
Yeah.
And I was like, it's 3:30. Who would play at such a time?
Yeah.
And then, multiple line of thoughts that, okay, it's 3:30. Nobody could possibly play at this hour. The second line of thought was, the house is completely closed.
Yeah.
There's no access to the roof for anybody to get upstairs and play. Third thing was, even if they're playing on the roof, throwing a ball at this height and trying to catch it was impossible. I got scared.
Yeah.
I got up and I went to my roommate's room. Flatmate's room, sorry. And I told her about it. By then, her boyfriend had left.
Okay.
And it was just me and her. And suddenly, oh fuck, I got the goosebumps. Suddenly, the voice shifted from that wall, as if that person is standing in my room and playing against the wall that me and my flatmate shared. We both were scared. You can feel the goosebumps.
My goodness. You want to feel mine?
I can't tell you how scared I was. Me and my flatmate, we were both scared. As if the entity has moved into my room and it's playing with a ball against the shared wall that me and my flatmate had. I can't tell you. Me and her, we were crouching on the corner of her bed. We hugged each other and we did not leave each other till 5 in the morning. And that voice did not
stop. She could hear it too.
Yes, she could hear it too.
Oh my god.
And we that noise did not stop until 5 in the morning. Until the first light. Delhi winters, the lights are the sun rises a little late.
Yeah.
We did not sleep. We were completely scared. We were hugging each other. We were scared for our life.
I also, you know what, ऐसे टाइम पे है ना दिमाग नहीं चलता कि फोन उठाओ कॉल करो किसी को.
फोन था ही नहीं हमारे हाथ में. मेरा फोन तो मेरे ही रूम में.
अरे तो उसका उसके पास, मतलब तुम सोचो ना कि अगर दिमाग चले
वो फोन जो था ना, वो जिस वॉल पर आ रहा था ना आवाज, वो वॉल के लगकर ही उसका स्टडी टेबल था एंड उस पर था फोन. एंड पूरे घर में हम 2 ही लड़कियां, लाइक अ ह्यूज 3 BHK.
Oh goodness,
that was scary.
But what my point is, ऐसे टाइम पे दिमाग चलता नहीं है.
चलता नहीं है भाई साहब, कुछ नहीं होता है.
It is like कि तो my point is, तुम कितने भी प्रैक्टिकल इंसान रहो, you know, ऐसे टाइम पे तुम्हारा दिमाग पूरा बंद हो जाता है.
बंद? You can't think of anything.
You can't think, you can't move, you can't command your body. कुछ नहीं. तुम सोचो ना, हनुमान चालीसा मुझे मतलब तुमको पता है कितना लर्न है मुझे वो. I can keep chanting it in my sleep as well.
Yeah, you can recite it anytime I ask you to.
Yeah, but उस टाइम पे वो भी याद नहीं आ रहा था.
Dude, I can't tell you the feeling. I felt secured, and I don't know, like my roommate was like just holding me. She was a very tiny petite girl, okay, like a 4'8", 4'9" wali, height wali, and very thin. She might be even smaller than extra small clothes. And she was holding me.
Yeah.
We were that scared, dude. Like, shit scared. Like, how can a voice travel?
Dude, we have to sleep.
Yeah.
And
That's
I don't
too much
think
for both of us.
Yeah.
Hanuman Chalisa तुमको आती है? I can like recite Our Father.
Very good. बाकी YouTube.
हाँ, YouTube जिंदाबाद. लेकिन उसके बीच में ऐड आ गया तो भूत भी अपने साथ बैठ के बोलेगा.
अरे हमारे पास पोलो है.
Oh yeah, she'll remind us, or you know she'll alert us.
Yeah.
That somebody is there.
बहन अगर उसने रात में ऐसे ओ भी किया ना तो डर जाएंगे हम दोनों.
True that. But then we're witches. We're supposed to have command over such spirits. What the fuck? What is that?
Somebody sneezed?
That sneeze is not human. God. Anyway.
You know what?
No.
There are a few episodes that I don't think can be counted in paranormal
activities.
Yeah.
Yeah, I mean, you were equally shit scared.
Yeah.
As you were with these paranormal activities.
Yes.
Yeah, I've had a few. I mean, humans being shitty.
I have been to places where I have experienced non-human kind of conditions. And I really want to talk about it.
That could be one of our episodes, like horrors of life.
Yeah. Huh.
Terrors of life.
Yeah,
something
right.
like that.
Right. हाँ जी. जो paranormal या entities से connected नहीं है.
Yeah.
Living
how
sources
terrifying
or
humans can be.
Yeah. Or maybe how terrifying a place can be.
I know, right? So yeah, we could do one of those episodes. But then next episode, let's keep it light. Let's talk about let's feel nostalgia. Let's talk about our school days.
Oh my god. Teacher के थप्पड़े क्या पड़ी है?
Oh my goodness, I have changed like 3 schools. So I have like amazing stories.
I've changed 2 schools.
We are besties for a reason, you know, right? We have had like similar kind of experiences in life.
families be बहुत similar.
Oh yeah, we have like for our listeners, we would like to share this thing that, you know, some or the other family member is like right, I mean their birthdays are like right.
It's either on the same day.
Yeah.
Or like, you know.
alternate days.
Yeah, like 20, 21st.
27,
मेरे
28.
किसी का 21st हुआ है तो तुम्हारा 22nd को किसी का बर्थडे है. तो वो लोग कहते हैं ना कि मेले में बिछड़े हुए लोग हैं ये. हम मेले में बिछड़े हुए फैमिलीज है.
True that. By the way, so for our listeners,
हाँ जी.
Mikasa and my mother, they share the same month, and their birthdays are like just one day apart.
Yeah. Libras.
I know. But Libras in my life.
हम दोनों का brain works in the same manner.
I know, I've noticed that a lot. Like in the past couple of days, both of you have been like saying the same things to me.
Yeah.
And that's scary. I'm best friends with my mother. But then
your best friend is your mother.
Yeah, my best friend is my mother. Oh. reminds me of Schitt's Creek.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
That
You introduced me
that
to
is my favorite sitcom.
Okay.
Schitt's Creek. I'm telling you, like Friends, okay. Big Bang Theory, better.
This is
But the bestest.
Bestest.
एकदम bestest का bestest.
Just like we are bestest friends.
Yes.
Friends. Will you be my friend?
क्या था वो मुझसे friendship करोगी?
Do you want to do friendship?
मैं सोच रही हूँ ये कहाँ से आया?
Dude, are you drunk or am I drunk?
Oh,
for our listeners, this girl Mikasa here has had a shot of Jim Beam.
Yes.
And I have had a mug of beer
and vodka
mix.
Good
and
going.
This whole episode was like,
oh my.
We were high the whole time.
2 चीजें हो सकती है अभी. एक तो हम फटाक से सो जाएंगे या फिर रात भर नहीं सोएंगे.
मैं तो नहीं सो रही. I'm gonna talk to my sushi.
हाँ तो नेक्स्ट एपिसोड क्या था? स्कूल वाला था.
Yeah, स्कूल.
बकचोदिया.
Yeah,
स्कूल में बहुत किया है.
Yeah,
बहुत बदमाश थी मैं.
Yeah, let's talk about it in that episode. Now let's do our closing statement.
Yes. So guys, this is Pink Flags only signing off. Same chaos, different episode. Come back soon.
Toodles. See you guys soon.
Bye-bye. Sleep well.
Care. See you next Wednesday.
Yes.
Say Wednesday.
Wednesday. Bye guys.
Bye.